Hello friends, Javad Nagda here from Fin-Rizon Management Consulting. Here I am with another quick tutorial on Power Query. So this time around, I'm going to discuss how we can connect our desktop-based Excel file to an online Google Sheet file. So here in my Google Drive, I have this customer's database like this, in this shape, the customer master. And now I want to connect this file to my desktop-based file. So the steps that I'm going to follow is click on share, and I want to make sure that the privacy settings of this file is set to anyone on the internet with this link can view. And now I can copy this link. And before I establish the connection, we have to make a little bit of tweakings to this link that we just got. So here is the desired format for the link that I want to use for the connection. I can just make a copy of it so the original remains intact. And now the only change I want to make is replace these curly brackets ID by the ID that our current link just generated. So we've got this link right here. Anything with from this D backslash till this backslash coming before edit is my ID. So I can copy this ID and replace this with the two IDs appearing up in this link. One is right here, replace. The other one is right here and replace that one as well. So the link that we just produced is the link that we are going to use to establish the connection now. So coming back to my Excel file, again doing the same drill in my data tab, get in transform data, using the from web connection. And now I give this URL, press OK, and there you go. The connection is established, and I can now choose the customer master file and get linked to this file. And from here on, you already know the rest of the drill. Keep learning,